What is being done by each character? Work.
Hi Remy.
Hi John.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. So what topic are we doing today?
We are going to do on the chapter Work and Energy.
Oh, what is work?
I will give you the answer, but before that, let me ask you something.
Sure.
When you have examinations, you spend a lot of time in studies, right? Sometimes you draw diagrams, sometimes you discuss with friends, sometimes you even write on notebooks, etc. And you work hard too, right? But if we go by the scientific definition of work, it is something different. You may work hard, but actually it might not be considered as work.
What are you saying? I work hard, but according to the scientific definition, it is not work. So strange.
Strange, isn't it? Well, let us clear the confusion of John. You are trying hard to push a wall, but the wall is not moving. Are you doing any work on the wall? You stand still for a few minutes lifting a book. You are very tired and exhausted doing so. Are you doing work on the book? You are participating in sports. You finish the lap and come back to the initial position. Have you done any work? The answers to these questions are no. Then, what is work? Let us see.
John, you push the book now and tell me, what do you observe?
Okay. The book is displaced from its initial position after I applied force on it.
Now you have done a work on the book.
The static frame of John pushing the book is shown. The direction of force and displacement, similar to figure 11.1 on page 147 of the book, are shown. Now, we know that work done is equal to force into displacement. So two conditions need to be satisfied for a work to be done. A force should be applied on an object. The object must be displaced. Why is work not done here? The force is not zero as Peter is running and applying force. But the displacement is zero as Peter comes back to the initial position. So, the work done here is zero. Now, what is the unit of work done? The equation of work done is given by W equals to force into displacement. If force is equal to 1 Newton and displacement is equal to 1 meter, then the work done is 1 Newton multiplied by 1 meter, which is 1 Newton meter, which is called joule. So, the unit of work done is joule. Is work done always positive? Remember the equation. Work done is equal to force into displacement. If the displacement is in the same direction as the applied force, the work done is positive. Consider the case of a man pushing an object. As we can see that the displacement is in the same direction as the applied force. So, the work done is positive. If the displacement is in the opposite direction to the applied force, the work done is negative. Consider the case of a moving car with uniform speed. When the driver applies the brake to stop the car stops at some distance, which is the displacement. Since the displacement is in the opposite direction to the applied force, the work done is negative. Similarly, if you lift a bucket, the displacement is in the opposite direction to the force of gravity. Thus, the work done by the force of gravity is negative. But remember that the work done by pull force is positive.
John, I hope you have understood about the scientific definition of work done.
Yes, Remy, and thanks for clearing up my confusion. I'm very happy I've learned that topic today.
Nice.